Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchscreen isn't responding on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. First of all, consider the screen protector interference. I don't ask you to take it off your smartphone right away, but let's try a simple troubleshooting steps, and if they don't help, consider removing your screen protector because it simply might be interfering with your device's touchscreen. So the first thing that we want to do is force restart our device, which solves most cases. All we have to do is hold down power button and volume down key until the screen of the device goes off. Then we'll see the Samsung logo on the screen. And after that, we just want to wait until the smartphone is restarted. After it's restarted, the touch screen should start working again. But if it didn't, and if you still cannot use your device's touch screen, then let's try to reboot it into the safe mode. To do that, we're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down keys once again until the screen of the smartphone goes off. Then, once the Samsung logo appears, wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and after this time, start holding down the volume down key, and keep holding it until the smartphone starts again. Okay, so now we are in the safe mode, and in the safe mode, no software can interfere with the way that that your touchscreen behaves. Therefore, if you are still experiencing this issue, this must be some sort of hardware interference. And in order to resolve this kind of issue, you can once again consider removing the screen protector. And I also recommend reaching out to Samsung customer support service, telling them about this issue, and they will guide you through more troubleshooting steps, or will ask you to send your smartphone to the customer service center for repair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.